Oh, awesome! Oh, we're watching a fight in the bush.
So we're going to go out for another ride. We wanted to go for a 2-day ride, but it looks like it's going to piss down tomorrow. So we're going for a quick jaunt out to some things we found on a path. The plan for the day is to have fun, to not get too cranky at one another. Yeah. We're going to take off the boxes because I was under the mistaken impression they made it somewhat easier. Well, not easier, but much easier to pick up and much less damaging to the bike. So I suggested leaving them on, but we got lots of feedback on the video about take off the boxes. Yeah. Because I'm wrong more often than I'm right, it seems.
So the box is off.
Box is off.
Yeah, we bought a book yesterday that is 25 full-wheel drive rides close to Sydney.
Yeah.
We picked 2 rides there that sort of link up to each other. So, should be good.
Okay. Thank you.
Is this what you had in mind for some coffee milkshake?
Yeah.
Wild Bean Cafe should be better than, right?
I think so. Let's hope so. It was very bad last time. I think that can set a low benchmark such that it would be difficult to limbo under it.
Look at how good this lean is.
What a lean.
It's a good lean.
Damn, look at that lean.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, lean, baby. Got some lean on you, girl. You can make that lean work.
Oh, very good.
So, let's take a look at where we're going.
Yeah.
Starting off going out to Weenie Creek and Mountain Lagoon, where based on how four-wheel drive ready that car is, I don't think we're in a world of trouble.
Where does it say here? Suitable for AWD.
Right.
That finishes at Bilpin, which is where we pick up Trek 2, which is like half the size of the other one. Looks good.
Yeah.
Again, all-wheel drive.
This guy's lovely, the guy inside the petrol station. He's like, I want to be in your video. I didn't know what to do that was funny, so I just did binoculars back to him, and now I feel unfunny. We must get out of here. Leave the scene of the lack of humour. Something I really like, despite the fact it's pretty hideous. What?
That was awesome! Like a magpie swooped behind you and was flying in line with your head. It was really cool, yeah.
I did hear did it hit me? Because I did hear a big whack, and I was like, what flicked me in the head?
Oh yeah, it probably did hit you then.
I was saying I just got attacked by a magpie.
Yeah. It's swooping season.
It is. Magpies are massive dickheads.
Oh, gravel road.
So is your gear lever, you want the gear lever raised as well? Okie dokie. Alright. Can you stand with it balanced on a side stand? So you keep your weight a little bit to the left. Yeah, so what do you need? It needs to be lower.
No, higher.
Higher?
Yeah, because that's like...
Okay, too far down. Yep, sure. Okay. Alright, so... Ooh. There we go. So then that goes up. And that's going to go up. So you seem to have to remove that boot just so it spins a bit more freely, and then when that's, then you can slide the whole thing. And but I need it to go, which direction? Am I going the wrong direction? It needs to be longer. Okay. So we tighten that up.
Yeah, seems better.
Better? Does it need to go further?
I think it's fine.
Cool.
Yeah, I think it's fine.
That is, yeah, show me how you go up, yeah, it's not the correct height.
No, not even slightly.
Okay, hop off. I think that's going to be quite strong there, isn't it? Not. As I turn that around, it should...
Is that you do the setting and then as long as you've got it set right you can go in between the two positions you like, just using that.
Righty, loosey, lefty.
It's definitely a lot better, isn't it?
We'll go down to the reserve, have some lunch.
Nice.
It's good I don't get to ride behind you very often. Cruising along. You comfortable?
Yeah.
You seem much more comfortable. Good work. Oh wow, that was quick. You did really good back there. Locked it up and stalled it and started it again. Look at you. Hammered it up that first bit.
Yeah, I just ended up taking a bad line. There was no way I was going to get up that.
Yeah, that was. There you go, now you're beside it. Woo! Oh, here we go. Just be ready in case it's slippy with moss. After fixing yours, it has brought my whole life into question. Sound of your boots amuses me.
This way?
Oh wow, look at that go, Anna.
Wow.
These aren't even that big and huge. If that makes any sense.
Yes.
Oh! Awesome! Oh, we're watching a fight in the bush!
Is that a kookaburra?
Yeah. Just whacked him in the face. It was the best thing I've seen in weeks. Okay.
Onward?
Well, this is pretty.
Awesome. Look at the mountain. Do you think we're dressed appropriately for the beach?
Yeah, I think if they were going to write a list of what to wear, we
Yeah.
would be wearing every item.
Yeah. And then some.
And then some. It's delicious. Really good. It was delicious yesterday. But it's really good cold too. Improves like cold pizza.
Cold pizza is not better than hot pizza.
Sorry?
Cold pizza is not better than hot pizza.
Get out. Go away. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, you didn't even go for the sniff. You went straight for the pat. You're a friendly dog.
Oh!
It's all right.
That's all rubbish.
There's no food there.
He puts on the pretty face when there's food.
Yeah, he was like, I'm here to say hello. I'm not really.
Slash, give me all.
Yeah.
Your squeaky boots.
Indicator.
Am I confusing the wombats? But he said he was still. He said he was turning right. Is that what wombats sound like? Hello. Do you like digging holes? I like digging holes. I feel very snug when I'm in a hole that perfectly fits. I don't know why he's English now. Nice little downhill. Gonna practice in the rut on the left side. Oh, you're practicing the rutty too. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Yeah, baby.
Whoops.
Alright, we're going left here. Tricky climb. Gonna go up the rut just to give myself a bit of a challenge. Oh Jesus! This is good luck, mate. Well, good luck. I feel like we should be there to watch him do that. Holy shit! Sorry, I didn't mean to stop directly in your path. I was thinking I belted it up that last part and I turn around and you're bloody bearing down on me. I won't say my life flashed before my eyes, but the last 15 minutes did a little quick recap.
And that's where we'll leave it for this week. I did have that one stall on the bridge, but no falls in this episode, so I think I'm getting better. We're both heading back to Sydney now to go to Anaconda and pick up some tents, as in the next episode we'll be going for a weekend camping. And before I leave you with some more of Harry's impressions, I just wanted to say thank you for checking out the video, thank you for subscribing, and see you next week.
Let's just pull up on this. Oh, let's go and film these kids. Or is that creepy? I didn't mean because they were kids, I meant because it's a skate park. I'm not a creep. Yeah, what I was noticing is you can slide the mic adapter thing out of the way. There he goes. Someone do a barrel roll.
Oh no, maybe... I see. I'm okay. Yep, got it going.
I wanted to do a burnout turny thing there.
Wow, that was a cool trick that guy did.
Oh, I'm bloody... I feel like Homer Simpson, but Marge, it's a little Asian guy, and you can tell he's about to do something. The moment he walks away, you remember that? It's like there's a fight between the mobsters and the Yakuza or something. There's a little guy in a white suit, you can tell he's about to do something.